Food is so hard to find this far north that a wolf pack must search hundreds of square miles if it's to be successful. To do that, here, the wolves must work together. Together, they try to ensure that each pup reaches near adult size before the snow returns. Adult hares may be easy to spot, but they're far from easy to catch. They run at 40 miles an hour. To catch one, the wolves work as a team. One of them gets close enough to bite the hare's tail. But a hare can change direction in an instant. If it can continue to sidestep and jink, it may ultimately outlast them. Finally, it gets away. For the next hare, the whole pack gives chase. The lead wolves keep up the pace. Others run on either side, so the hare can't change direction. A tiny meal for a whole pack.